Tuesday evening, we're home. I'm so glad, because I just am tired. It's fall, and it's dark early, and it makes me feel tired. Checking some comments on a post in a photography group that I'm in on Facebook. And I think I have offended somebody, but you know, it's the internet, so what else is new? Anyway, just got home with the kids. Lark had an excellent day with potty training at daycare, so that's good news. She had a couple of accidents, but she went today, so that's progress. James is off visiting his mom at the nursing home, and he got contacted today by like a headhunter from LinkedIn, which he thought was kind of interesting. And they wanted to talk to him about a job in the current industry that he's in, but it would be near Boston. So both of us were kind of like, ooh. But our current life situation doesn't really allow that type of relocation. So not something we'd really consider, but man, that would be cool. Very cool. Gonna make some creamy artichoke chicken tonight. It's really good. I found it on Pinterest. It's actually a paleo recipe, and I can adapt it for my kids' food allergy, so it's really good. Can't wait for that. I'm starving. How are you kids doing? What are you building, Lark? Are you making a tower? What'd you find? That's not a book or a block. I'm not sure which one you're saying, but all the blocks are on the floor because that's where sister put them. Come show mom. Did you find a people? He's cool. Is that the farmer? Farmer. Where's his barn? Where's the barn? There it is. Finished chicken, yum. And just some fried potatoes, not all that exciting, but this chicken, you guys, is so good. Arlo already speed devoured 2 bowls full. And now you're on to the berries. Are those good? That dinner was really good, but I'm really stuffed. It was a lot of chicken. Let me know if you like when I share food stuff. A lot of people ask me what kind of things I feed my kids since they have such bad food allergies. So this is my way of kind of letting people in on what we eat on a day-to-day basis. So let me know if you like it, or if there's any other like recipes or food things you would like to see that are allergy friendly or that you would have questions about. We love food. James was like, maybe the kids will go to bed early and we can watch this documentary that we've been wanting to watch about, what's it called? I think it's called The Killing Season. It's about this Long Island serial killer. Anyway, we have 2 episodes of it DVR'd, and I'm laughing because I'm like, first of all, they're not gonna go to bed. Second of all, once they fall asleep, I'm gonna be asleep. That's the true story. I can't stay up for anything. So we'll see how it goes. This one's laying down and yawning. Oh, and so she was sick. Actually, she's been sick for like over a month, but she had that fever most recently, and she went back Sunday. She was good. She went back to daycare yesterday. Excuse me. And she was okay, but now today she has a runny nose and a cough again. This is our life, people. This is what we go through all the time. These kids are always effing sick, and I'm so tired of it. I feel so bad for them. They're always sick, but I'm hoping that it's just allergies and she's not sick, because I can't afford to miss any more work, and neither can my husband. So fingers crossed. Well, I guess we are going to bed early tonight. Somebody is asleep. What are you doing?
Reading about what Canada thinks of America trying to move north.
I see you're wearing your white t-shirt.
Yep.
Making white t-shirts a thing. You should do a fashion blog and every post
Be about my classic white
would
tee.
be a white t-shirt. 50 ways to style a white t-shirt. You could do it. You could do it. Hi, buddy. Are you sleepy too? Are you sleepy too? Sweetest boy. Buckaroo! What are the chances that he goes to sleep too?
We're not that lucky.
We're not that lucky? You don't think so?
You're gonna have to turn this TV channel.
What time is it?
8:30.
8:30 is later than I thought. I like how there's a new cartoon on Disney called Peking Duckling. Isn't there like...
It's a dinner.
Isn't Peking duck like an Asian dish?
Yeah.
It's the name of a cartoon now on the Disney Channel. Peking duck. The Curse of Oak Island.
Aw, snap.
We're totally, or I'm totally behind on like all TV. But I keep telling James, because we've been doing our Walking Dead reviews, that we should do like more TV recaps. That would get...
Maybe we can do a recap of Peking Duckling.
Peking Duckling recaps. Because that's all we watch is cartoons. It's on 24/7. Are you ready? Excuse you.